Hey Danny, how you doing? It's Leo again from Arona Marketing. This is a video that I wanted to get sent over to you with some tips that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your Google Business Profile, and I'd love to hear some feedback from you. As you see, I got Georgia In-Home Services pulled up here. Nice website, love the logo. Beautiful pictures, beautiful work done. Like you do great work, man. That's unfortunate. Um, But yeah, all in all, man, you do beautiful work. Looks like you got some great reviews on here. So you're definitely on par for what you need to have going on. Only thing I would suggest is more content. Google loves content. 24/7, Google sends bots out to crawl these sites to find out what your website's about. They're trying to identify what you do and where you do it. So roof and restoration, Atlanta. So the more keywords you have in here like that, the more it's going to recognize what your website's about and start putting it out in front of more people searching. So you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of command content on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add those buyer intent keywords. So for what you want to be found for in Google. Now, buyer intent keyword, again, is the service that you provide and the location that you provide that. So roof repair, Atlanta new roof, Atlanta re-roof, Atlanta restoration, whatever the service you provide, and then the city you provide it in. That way it tells Google when someone searches roofers Atlanta, then you've got roofers Atlanta in your content, then you're going to start getting pinged and pushed towards the top for that. Another thing is make sure you're saving photos and videos as keywords too, because those count as content as well. So again, instead of about image new to, it could be remodel Atlanta, Georgia, kitchen remodel Atlanta, Georgia. That is a service, and then the city that you provide that service in. Now, what I've done is actually taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR, this is the DR, this is the strength your website has, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now, right now, you're only being indexed for 12 backlinks and 10 referring domains. So you want to make sure that you're getting more quality backlinks in there. Now, a backlink is one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to attack those backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry. Now with the UR and DR, these are out of 100. So you want to try to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. And that's going to be from good quality backlinks. Right now you're indexing for 99 keywords that you're being found for. So Georgia is statewide, siding repair in Atlanta. That is actually a keyword because it is a service that you're doing and then the city that you're doing that service. You really don't want the state because you could be North Georgia, very bottom at South Georgia, and can be hours away. So if you are doing siding repair in Atlanta, they know that you service the Atlanta area. Let's look through here. Dentistry. Siding companies in Atlanta. The Atlanta keywords are really extreme. There's a lot of competition there. So Atlanta roofers is 3,200 search volume a month, but it's a keyword difficulty of 29. Keyword difficulty goes up to 100. The closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. 29 will take a long time to start ranking. So right now you're position 61 and you're getting 0 traffic from that. You're actually not getting traffic from any of these keywords except for Georgia In-Home Services and Georgia Home Improvement, which you're getting 6 and 1. But there's only 20 searches a month for this, 150 for this. Now, Danny, what I've done is actually searched roofers in Atlanta, Georgia. That's how I found out that you was paying for these Google ads. Google ads are a really good way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone. And that's not even showing you right now. You're paying for those ads and you're not even up on the front page. Now that's the importance of ranking organically. So this is your map pack here. This is where you're going to get 30 to 40% of your business, and you're not in this top 3 right now. That's okay, because there's several ways to get there. Make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, because you do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. Make sure that's filled out completely and don't forget the keywords in there as well. By posting geotagged and geolocated photos weekly, those are completely optimized photos to tell the service that you do your work. Tells what area you do your service and your work in. That's really going to help you rank organically. And another big thing is citations. A citation is a business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because you don't want to mislead Google. And it's just one big popularity contest. So make sure that you have identical business information all across the internet. By giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it's going to start to make Google trust you more, and then it's going to boost your business from there, but not only in your area, in your surrounding areas as well. Now down here is your organics. This is where you're going to get 60 to 70% of your business from. Colony Roofers are the #1 roofing company in Atlanta in the organics. And as you see, they don't have a lot of content. So if you implement having more content on your site than theirs, along with the backlinks and the keywords, you can make sure you can start to outrank these guys as well. Now, I wanted to show you something here, because Atlanta is some very hard keywords to land. I know Marietta is close to you, and so is Sandy Springs. Now, look at this. Roofing in Atlanta, 450 search volume, but it's a 34 KD. Roofers in Atlanta, 450, but it's a 28 KD. So I've actually found you some cities that you could add to your website that is pretty much identical search volume, more, but look at the KD. So you could add, say, 2 location pages on here, 1 Marietta and 1 Sandy Springs, and you can capture, just with these 2 keywords, 900 volume each month. And like I said, being in those top spots, the biggest portion are going to go to you. Even if you only got 5%, that's 45 more jobs a month just from the Sandy Springs area. And then here, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20. There's about 3,000 just in Marietta roofing. And again, look at the KDs. These are way better than having 28, 29, 37 keyword difficulty, because you'll start ranking for these a lot quicker. So as you see, Danny, there's a lot of decent volume here. Once you start ranking, again, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of the people that goes to your website is going to give you a call. And then depending on your closing rate, turn those calls into customers. So I really hope this video was helpful, and I appreciate your time, and I would love some feedback about the video. Again, my name is Leo Arona. Danny, have a great day.